Are you someone who just finished learning a programming language and want to build a backend project for your developer portfolio? Then this video is for you. In this video, I will take you through top 7 backend projects which will make your developer portfolio interesting and can showcase your skills as well. So let's get started. We will at first go through what are backend projects or what is backend, and later on we will go through different projects and we will have a brief idea about what that project is and the tools that we use, and finally end with the conclusion. So what is backend and what are backend projects? So basically backend projects refer to web development projects where the primary focus is on server-side logic, database interactions, and other operations that occur behind the scenes of a web application. So unlike front-end projects which deal with the users and interactivity with the browsers, backend projects handle the server-side operation that power the application on the front end. Now let's dive into the projects. At first, we have user authentication system. So in this project, you will create a sign up or login system for users on a website. The login sign up project is important because many organizations' websites have an authentication layer embedded in them. So for this project, you will need to know some of the programming languages like Python, PHP, or Node.js. The other project that we have is building a landing page. This project is more of a front-end project. However, the knowledge you'll gain is vital to backend development. As a backend developer, you need to know about web servers, HTTP, and how web pages communicate with the server. Completing this project successfully will show recruiters that you understand the basics. For this project, you'll need to know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Moving on to the next one, we have building a finance application. So this isn't as complicated as it sounds. So in this project, you'll build an application where you can input and track your expenses and transactions. From this project, you will learn how to use business logics, do the calculations, and store the data and display it to the users. For this project, you can use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The next one in the list is to create a text analyzer. So to build a text analyzer, you need to use Python. As a backend developer, this is one of the foundational skills you will need. This project helps you put your knowledge into practice. This project involves using a command line interface or CLI. You cannot avoid using CLI as a backend developer, so it's helpful to create projects that exercise this skill. Next one is pretty simple and easy, building a to-do list app. Building a to-do app as a project will test your ability as a developer, especially regarding your database skills. Databases are crucial to backend developers because they store information. This project improves your ability to use and manipulate databases. You can use either MongoDB or PostgreSQL or any other database of your choice. Next one is building an e-commerce application. This is one of the most complex projects and might take some time to complete. Here you'll learn about backend of e-commerce applications. You'll build an application that offers social interaction, allows CRUD operations by admin users, implements a product cart, and includes dashboards. Next one is creating a restaurant app, which is similar to creating an e-commerce site. So this app should allow users to create an account, order food, and make reservations. You'll work with database in this project and learn more about CRUD operations. Areas to focus while building these projects. The main aim here is not just building the project and creating a good portfolio by just copy and pasting the code. The aim is to understand the concept and have a good foundation so that you are confident and can sell your skill. How to get there? You need to have dedication, you need to show consistency, and you need to practice a lot. So if you follow these 3 things, then you can build those projects with ease and then grasp the foundational knowledge required for a backend developer. These backend projects can improve your skills while demonstrating your abilities to employers. They show your familiarity with backend development with crucial concepts and tools. So get your hands dirty as you continue to build your skill set. Thank you. See you in the next one.